Embarking on a journey in the jewelry world requires more than just creativity. It demands a mastery of skills that transform raw materials into timeless pieces of art. Whether you're a budding jeweler or a curious enthusiast, this article unveils the key skills needed to excel in the craft, guiding you through the intricacies of the jewelry making process. 1. Precision and attention to detail. At the heart of every exceptional jeweler lies an innate sense of precision and an unwavering attention to detail. From crafting intricate designs to setting precious stones, the ability to work with meticulous precision ensures the creation of flawless, high-quality jewelry. Jewelers must hone their eye for detail to bring out the brilliance in every piece they create. 2. Fine motor skills and dexterity. The art of jewelry making demands exceptional fine motor skills and dexterity. Handling delicate tools and working with minuscule components require a steady hand and precise control. Jewelers must practice and refine their motor skills to achieve the level of craftsmanship that sets their creations apart. 3. Design proficiency and creativity. Jewelry is not just an accessory, it's a form of self-expression. A good jeweler possesses a keen sense of design, translating their creativity into wearable works of art. From sketching initial concepts to bringing them to life, a strong design proficiency enables jewelers to create unique and captivating pieces that resonate with their clients. 4. Knowledge of gemstones and metals. Understanding the properties of different gemstones and metals is fundamental to crafting exquisite jewelry. A skilled jeweler is well versed in the characteristics of various gemstones, including their hardness, color, and cut. A comprehensive knowledge of metals, from gold to platinum, also empowers jewelers to choose the right materials for each creation. 5. Technical expertise in jewelry repair. The journey of a jeweler extends beyond crafting new pieces. It also involves the art of restoration. A good jeweler possesses technical expertise in jewelry repair, seamlessly restoring worn or damaged pieces to their former glory. Whether it's resizing rings or fixing broken clasps, the ability to perform precise repairs is a hallmark of a skilled professional. Your destination for jewelry making and repair. In the heart of Arcadia, our expert team offers more than just top-notch jewelry repair services. Seamlessly blending creativity with technical prowess, Durano Jewelry is the trusted partner you've been seeking to bring your timeless visions to life. Immerse yourself in the art of crafting exquisite jewelry with Durano Jewelry as your guidance. Whether you're searching for the nearest jewelry store or require expert jewelry repair around you, look no further. Durano Jewelry is poised to turn your jewelry dreams into tangible masterpieces. Contact us today and embark on a journey of craftsmanship that transcends expectations. Your jewelry making and repair needs find their true home at Durano Jewelry.